We've installed a hydronics heater, but as secondary heat we've also installed a air diesel heater in case we need to get warm quickly. Under the chassis we installed the diesel heater, and we have our air intake of the diesel heater sitting in our step. The outlet is here, and then we route it to under the bench. It follows the corner there, and another one outlet under the bench. We have also protected our pipes with perforated plywood. We have just activated the diesel heater. It is starting up. It is temporarily wired up just to test it, where the wire comes from the floor. We'll still put a grommet in here to protect the wires. You can hear the fuel pump. Now the diesel heater is running, and there is some nice warm air coming from our vents. We also have our protection for our pipes once we start putting things over it to ensure it doesn't get crushed. We are using normal dryer vents for it, insulated dryer vents.